Howdy. We move on to another law, again introduced by Representative Capriglione. Again, I hope I pronounced his name correctly. The Texas Cybercrime Act. So, what's happened? As we've discussed many times, law lags technology, and there's new criminal offenses, so we need new laws. And this law is going to look at several aspects. Electronic access interference, and if you will notice, this is now part of the Texas Penal Code, the criminal law. Remember, all criminal law needs to be statutes. What happens if you tamper with or put ransomware on, right? And so it is defined new crimes and punishments for those crimes. I'm not a criminal attorney. However, these are third-degree felonies. Felony means prison time, usually over a year. So both of these are new crimes with consequences in the state of Texas. Take some time and read these and go through these. If you look here, this is defined as a Class A misdemeanor for a certain amount of damage or up to a first-degree felony for more. Again, it's the Texas Penal Code. If you have any questions on this, I'll be happy to answer these. However, for now, what I want you to know is we have passed new laws in response to new criminal activity in cyber hacking. The next video will talk about something of interest to you, the Student Data Privacy Act.